Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please remember to hit that subscribe button below. So this video is a continuation of the garden video. Only difference is I'm going to be putting up a sunbrella that I bought online. I bought it on Amazon, but I follow this lady on Instagram called One Frugal Chick. I'm going to put her name on the little video thing. I'm going to put her name so you could follow her. She'll post like coupons and deals for stuff for very, very cheap. So I got this sunbrella for $53.99. So I'm about to open it, see how to put it up and put it on my patio. So here goes. Alexa, play Monica.
Shuffling songs by Monica on Amazon Music.
Alexa, turn down the volume. So it comes with this tool right here. This is a new camera, so I'm used to using my phone, and this camera comes with a mirrorless screen, so I keep looking at the screen instead of the little circle on the front. So I'm getting used to it. Bear with me, guys. I probably look like I'm side-eyeing some of these videos, or cast-eyeing. Okay. This don't come with any peppers.
When it's hard to, I can trust with all my issues. So always patient and consistent. I need good
So this was $53. You know what? This is why I need a boyfriend. Lord, remember that prayer. I'm asking for a handyman. Thank you.
Them the things they said I did, but not who they say I am. I throw my name in the dirt, but I really don't care.
Then I needed A5, A6, and A7. But these nails, you see, they don't say like A5 or A6 or A7. So I'm a little bit oh, there's another one. I was like, I thought this should have 4, but it's 4. So let's see. Alexa, stop. Because right now I'm stressed out. Oh, look guys. At the top, you see, I'm so slow. It tells me which one is A6 and A7. Okay, so A7 are the shorter ones, and A6 is the longer ones. So let's see. Okay, so I put this back up here. All right, let's see. Is this even? So I have to do, so it's going this way. So I have it this way. So then the A7s, which are the shorter ones, they go on this side. So I gotta screw these in. I probably should do like some of it outside because I don't know how the hell this umbrella is gonna get upside. Why is this not screwing in? How the hell do you do this stupid thing? Alright. Let's try again, y'all. Let's try again. Oh, you know what? Let me do the longer ones because I don't do good with stress. Especially making these things up. And my uncle going to tell me I should have called him because he's the handyman. I call him for everything. My Uncle Otis, he's a lifesaver. But not today because I need to learn, okay? Probably didn't need it to take it all out, but I need to make sure I'm doing it right, so I took it all out. I'm acting as if I don't have anything else to do. I need to actually go grocery shopping. I have no food in here, and I'm having company over later. Not a guy. So I know people are thinking, oh, they'll have money over here now. Still single. Okay, so this goes in here so that these longer ones could get screwed in them. So that's what I should. So that's what I did wrong. Alright, so let's do this again. Putting this back on here. Okay, so I'm gonna finish do the umbrella outside because it's too tall and it wouldn't fit through the patio door. And I figured this out, how to do the base. So that's a good thing. The taller screws were supposed to go in here and then the shorter screws go over here. So I figured that out. So now I could move on to putting the actual umbrella on the stand. So this goes on here. Alright. So now I gotta twist this right here. And then put this little thing in this hole right here. This thing, I thought it would have been easy, but I've been doing some things wrong. So I had to take it apart and put this inside of this. Listen, it wasn't easy. I thought it was gonna be easy, but it wasn't. Thank God I can read. Well, read diagrams, because that's all they had. Diagrams. Ain't nothing one do this, two do this. No, it's just diagrams. Like, what if I wasn't a visual learner? Well, I'm not really I am a visual learner. I am. So I have this, should be this way, so that when it opens, it's like so. Now let's test this to see if it works. I gotta read this thing because I don't know how this thing opens. So it's supposed to be. Am I supposed to do this by itself or? I guess so. So then how do you open this stupid umbrella? I gotta see how to open this umbrella. Because I don't understand it and I'm definitely gonna need the weight. I think I figured it out, so let's try this again because it's partially open. You know what? I'm gonna let this thing down and try another one. How do I work this thing? And then it's like it's working. It's working, but it's too heavy. Okay, so it is working. As you can see a little bit, it's open. It's open. It won't stay because it's so big. So I definitely need the weights. But I succeeded. I wish it could stay so you guys would see what happens. Let me take this stupid thing down. Okay guys, so it did work. It's just too heavy, so I need the weights to put on there so it could stay up. So that's the next thing I need to purchase. I keep looking back because it's so windy out here. I need to make sure it doesn't. Oh Jesus, it's about to give me a heart attack. I need to make sure it doesn't fall. So that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching me put up my sunbrella. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button below, and thank you for watching Delawella's World.